Learning English language is not all about learning grammar books all the time. It's not all about practicing exercises and looking up new words in the dictionary. Watching selected scenes of cartoons provide an ultimate platform for learning a foreign language. It offers a great opportunity of audio-visual setup to learn a foreign language in a natural setting, in a natural environment. With this idea in mind, here I have a selected scene from cartoon in which a character, being an animal, delivers a great speech. There is a great lesson for us to learn, a great moment to be inspired. This cartoon scene is based on a famous book, Animal Farm by George Orwell. Let's watch now.
Old Major had been ailing, and now he had made known there were some things he wanted to say to his fellow animals before it might be too late. It took a while for all to find their seats. The pigs had taken up the best positions immediately in front of the platform. Among them, Snowball, determined to get a good view. And Napoleon, equally determined and even less polite. What was that? No, it wasn't Mr. Jones. And at last, everyone could be settled to hear Old Major.
My dear friends, I have lived a long life. I have had much time for thought as I lay alone in my stall. I won't be with you much longer, and before I die, there's something I want to tell you. Few of us will ever know the blessings of a peaceful old age. You, boxer, when you have given the last of your great strength, what then? Whatever we produce is taken from us, stolen from us, and sold. Our children are born to cold and hunger. Look at them while you can. You porkers, do you know what the future holds for you? Do we deserve such a fate? Is this farm too poor to support us all? No, comrades. When a farm is rich, but we'll never get our rightful share from Farmer Jones. Overthrow this evil tyrant, and we shall be rich and free.
Courage! Revolt!
But remember, When you have got rid of Jones, don't adopt his vices. We animals are brothers, large or small, clever or simple, fur or feathers. Now and forever, all animals are equal.
Thank you.